welcome to my new video. So in this video I will show you how I made this music box. Look, it turns super cute. Perfect decoration and a gift for a baby room, right? When I opened the box, it has a lot of pieces. I was afraid I couldn't make it. And you know what? It's easier than I thought. You just need to be patient and find all the pieces, and then you will make one. So I will put the link of the DIY kit in the description box. It's not hard to make. If I can make it, then you can make it. Thanks to Robot Time for sponsoring me this video. It was very relaxing and enjoyable to make it. So I finally got to visit my baby doctor. I saw my baby movement. I recorded my baby movement. I published this video on the Patreon, and don't forget to check out my second channel. I published a video of my reaction after visiting my baby doctor. I was very excited to see baby movement and feel baby movement. It's moved a lot. Okay, let's start this video. It's not hard at all. It took me one evening to make it. It's really easier than I thought. And thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in next video soon. Bye.